What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to run the Excel file into the WPS Office. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, this tutorial might be suitable for you if you have just purchased a new laptop or the brand new laptop. However, if you need it in a hurry and you don't have time to do the installation for the Microsoft Excel, don't worry because there is WPS Office here that can help you to keep running and also managing the data in the Excel format, and you can start to do the anything with it like the counting and also managing the data. So you can open this browser first and you can download this WPS, and don't worry because this is for free. And after that you can continue to do the installation and follow the instruction. And don't worry because the installation itself also very fast. It might use the time or spend the time until 15 minutes, and after that it will be ready to use like this. And this will be the homepage of the WPS. You can try it out by do the login or sign it with your account. And here, if I would like to use it without the login with my account. And for example, you can click this WPS Sheet Quick Start Guide. And after that, it will bring you into the different or another tab, and kindly wait for the process. And after that, you will see it's kind of the guideline that has been provided by this WPS, such as how to operate it in the Microsoft Excel, and also the basic function that you can use over here to process the table. And also there's the autofill and formulas and function, and also the data filter. And you can also have the data view and also freeze the pane just like in the Google Sheet. And you can also create the data visualization. And for example, I will open the data of my Microsoft Excel form. I will click open on the file. And after that, I will go to my PC or my download. And after that, I will go to the file. For example, I will choose this one and click open. And after that, the data will be open into the next tab. So this will be the view, guys. And even it will show you the function that I have put. Basically, or previously, this data was in the Microsoft Excel and also has the simple formula. And surprisingly, this WPS also share you the function that I was using before. And also it will show you the cell, and you can start to do the data editing over here. For example, I will put the data like 28 August 2025, and the distance mile, for example, I will choose 15, and the fuel will be, let's say, 4 liter, and the price will be 10 in a dollar, for example, and the average will be, okay, it will follow this function. And for example, I will drag it down, and there you go. And after that, I will drag it too. So that's it, guys. It has the same function, or can be your alternative if you have not installed the Microsoft Excel before. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this WPS to create and also making your project and also do and help your work. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.